TINTACT is a color-based control system that lets you interact with digital elements using real-world colors. First, download the Tltintact project on my touchdesigner page. Open the zip file. Then you need to open the Install TO project. It will automatically install CV2 and NumPy module to your touchdesigner. If you are on Windows, copy and paste the CV2 and NumPy folders into the following path. Then you are ready to open the Tltintact TO. Let's take colored magnets and a white magnet board. On the left corner, you can find the menu. Select your video input, then start by opening the main color settings. With your left mouse click, select the color you want to extract. Place another magnet in a different light condition to verify your selection is working properly, or fine-tune it with the cursors. Make sure you don't have bad light conditions in order to make it work properly. You are ready to start. Let's first add a button. You can change its position and rename it. Verify that the button reacts to your blue magnet. Now, let's add a slider. Finally, let's add a knob. The knob works only with a smaller colored dot inside the main colored object. Here, we use a green sticker. Open the color knob settings and select the green color. Verify it's working by placing your blue magnet at the middle of the knob. You can open the X-ray vision to see how the computer vision is working. Every time you create a button, slider, or knob, a constant chop is created with the value and name linked, which you can use to control sound, images, or other parameters. In the Master Settings panel, you will also find all available values, names, and parameters for the video feed or the user interface look. Let's try to play with Ableton. You can play around and discover creative and amusing ways to control the buttons, sliders, and knobs. Endless possibilities await.